not coming?
Not easily. I'm a little worried with the design of this.
Mm-hmm. And it's brass,
And the brass of it. Cylinder cock. There's a piece threaded into the cylinder itself, and then there's a brass valve that looks like threaded into it.
Okay, just pull the whole thing, if it will. Yeah, sweet.
It's almost hand tied right now.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, explain.
This is a cylinder cock. You know how in all the movies, before the train takes off from the station, it blows a whole bunch of steam out of the side, and whoosh, 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 and then they get underway? That's the valve that is one on each end of the to let steam pass through and condensate blow out. Yeah, I mean, if you sat there for a long time, you might be able to rig it where a cylinder will be full of water. The steam hits the other side of that, and you knock a cylinder head out. So you always open these valves.
Oh, to bleed them out.
Let the water blow out.
Yeah.
And let some steam blow through and warm up the cylinder, and then you shut them off when you're running.
And you take off.
So that's what that valve is. It's basically like a check valve. It won't let anything out unless
you.
Yeah. And that rod has those angles, so when it's in one position, this will be down, and when you move it to another position, it lifts that up. You
Like
see
that. Yeah. So
Oh, that.
Lift it up, or let it fall.
Oh, so
That dumps the water. That
and then it
seals
closes it. That's pretty ingenious.
Pretty simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
We were trying to push this rod all the way through, and we got to there and it stalled, but I think it's just all the grease on the back
Yeah,
side.
so
Maybe I'll go clean this off and
you might as well open it up and lap it.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I'm just going off of what Marco and Jimmy had said. They thought.
You're thinking this needs to be brazed up? Is that what you're thinking?
Well, yes, and this part too.
Both of them?
Yeah. Again, that's what they were saying when they were looking at it down there. So
Okay.
I hadn't put eyes on it until the first time. So.
And I was being a little bit, clearly it wouldn't hurt to put
some
penetrating
foil in,
oil.
yeah.
But,
You want to?
but
Yeah.
it doesn't really
It's
tend
not
to
gonna
do a lot
fix
on
it,
brass.
actually, with it.
Yeah.
It might just break up some of that stuff.
You want to pull on this so you can break it?
You big fella. You
No.
want me to pull on it again?
No.
Not yet.
I wonder if we
Fit
can
in
get
there?
one.
Okay.
I
Good.
don't know whether is it gripping or not.
oh, look at that.
Sir?
Need anything else? Teflon? I'll bring you something here.
He didn't ride because he wanted to ride motorcycles. He rode because he was cheap.
Yeah.
Does it come out?
I bought you lunch.
There you go. Looks pretty good.
So that's steel on brass.
That is for sure. Looks like it. There's nothing wrong with this piece. It just needs to be lapped.
Okay, that's got a
It's
swivel on it.
definitely leaking, but
seat actually looks good.
So when you say it's definitely leaking, when you say where do you
He's checking there.
camera will be able to zoom?
That's awful.
Is it?
Yeah, look at all the little pits.
It's right here,
Yeah,
Okay.
right there. That's erosion, isn't it?
yeah. It's been cutting.
Can you use like steel wool and
Right
smooth
in
all
here,
that
too.
off, or that won't?
You gotta lap it. It's gotta be at the same angle this
Yeah.
is.